Whoops, sorry.
Oh, it says yours?
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Are these all men's here?
I don't. It might be.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I wasn't crying. No.
Yes. If you cried, that must have been your twin. Was that your twin?
Him.
Oh, it was him.
No,
Okay.
it was not him. Yes, it was. I wasn't crying at all.
You cried the whole time.
No, I didn't.
Okay, you want to give me that type of school?
No. How would I get rid of it? Now I'll put these cookies. I want this. I want this.
Yeah. See, I don't. We're still working on that. We're still working on that. Charlie. No way. You're going to get zapped. That's okay. Keep going.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I want it.
Some cooking on shirts that you should grow into. Oh, man. That's going to be a night. Hello, Michael.
No.
How are you?
Charlie, sit. Hey, hey,
Charlie,
sit.
Charlie, if people
Oh,
go,
you're good.
he's close. He's not quite a year old.
He's still barking. Hey, sit.
Charlie, you sit.
Ready?
Right now we have so many dogs in our house.
How much are the clothes?
T-shirts will do 50 cents.
Okay. You have to go around this side so I can see.
Can we plug that in? This saw, does it work?
Oh, here's the little.
I appreciate it. Oh my God, I'm dealing with this. This hand ain't working. It's off today.
Well, when you're done, I want it.
No, that's the other one. He had to work there.
Whoops, sorry.
Oh, it says yours?
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Are these all men's here?
I don't. It might be.
Oh.
I couldn't tell.
Sounded like men's.
They're everywhere.
I think this might be men's.
Might be.
No thanks.
I looked at
I'm
them.
buying my son something now.
Jeannie, I looked at those.
Oh,
games
you
for
want this?
Ezra. I looked at those games for Ezra.
Oh.
Yeah, they would.
Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
He wouldn't be. No, I looked. Yeah, I looked for Ez. They're not his bag. They're he told me PlayStation, and those are I can't even think of the word.
My turn.
Not PlayStation.
Anymore, definitely.
It's in the truck.
Okay. You want the wood too?
Yeah, that's it.
Let me charge you a penny for it.
I'm not looking for memories.
I'm gonna send you the electric bill now. You want to wrap up or you want
Could you
to
wrap it, please? My back is so bad.
How much for the sign? Joseph, give him $2 extra.
Oh, how much are?
Yes,
Ask
my
how much
queen.
are. Go ahead, ask. Go ahead, ask. Well, if you want them, then you're gonna ask.
Two for her.
Just ask.
I just picked her up along the street somewhere. She's spending my money.
I mean, hey, that's pretty cheap these days.
Just how much are these?
We'll do a quarter each.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got
Change
these
it
right
for
here.
me.
Yeah. These and then these clothes.
Well, I ain't done yet.
Okay.
There's been times where I buy out garage sales.
Oh, really?
And then I'll take them and resell the stuff. Because I have an idea what pretty much what a lot of stuff costs. I've done it for.
So, do $1 for this together.
Where's your truck? 6.
6, so $4.
We'll put these in the back of the car. Shirts and that.
He'll like it just because. Do you need a bag?
Nope, I think we're good.
All right, sounds
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you so much.
What?
$1.
Oh, nice. Yeah. But you guys have a great day.
Thank you, too.
You wanna look through here with me?
What?
You wanna look through here with me? There's no shoes. Let's go over here and look. That's pretty cool. I don't see anything else. You ready?